Let's make our way to the roof. As Amanda Waller instructed on the tape impaled in my back.
Suunod tang isa kataksak. Kamtot niya sakmo tama tingak sa sokakpo tama.
Ready to blow?
Yeah. Try not to get blown up. 3, 2, 1!
Gonna be one for the funny bucks. I can feel it.
Sasquatch. Tawa mi takanopi so kastes yo.
Doors on that elevator are shut right up. We shoot that junction box up there and we might be able to get out. Ooh, we on a game show?
Harley Quinn, should you not be more cautious?
She ain't wired that way.
Oh, Deadshot.
Until we figure out where the hell we are, let's play along with Waller.
Oh, is this a superhero museum? Hate superheroes. And museums.
I've seen it on TV. It's the Hall of Justice.
So let's rob the place!
Idiot.
Siya sakit pungatat.
My armor was forged by Themyscira's finest artisans to endure all sorts of danger. It's an ancestral relic, passed down from one generation to the next. Looks pretty tough, right?
Nope.
Well, it is. Man, machine, or monster? Nothing, and I mean nothing, beats Amazonian craftsmanship.
Matoko si masya puta masok lo na Superman ni joke kada Superman de raw na mga ron eh.
About the Justice League, and still they are larger than I expected.
Those holograms aren't actual size, Sharkman.
I know that.
Superman ni ro joke kada na mga ron eh joke yung asus sawok na pisukingin nakpa joke suna akin nakapingin na ka na rong ila Superman ni suna akin na
Must have stung getting tossed into Arkham, eh? For a pro like you.
Sure did. Hey there, I'm Superman, and I'm so glad you're visiting the Hall of Justice.
Must be kinda hard to see.
I come here every day to meet with my very...
Superman ni Missy na tunaw nga may tubig nangira.
Typical hero crap.
Sorry, citizen.
Big-ass
The
gold
sanctum
apples to
is
show
a
the world how
restricted
super they are.
Yeah. You never
You can't beat raiding the frickin' merch stand.
Bingo!
Hey man, watch the
Ah, shit!
glass.
I'm okay.
What the hell you got there?
Thought this baby was a myth. Speed Force Gauntlet. Back when Doc Savannah tried to lift Flash's gimmick.
Miss you, Red.
Ah, shit! I'm still okay!
Oh, baby! You found the Riddler's hat of invisibility!
Where'd the shark go?
Children.
Ooh, nothing says international assassin like a frickin' jetpack.
Shit. I'd break my damn neck.
You're probably right. Jetpacks seem more like a Deathstroke thing anyway. Mine.
That, hat's not gonna get you vertical, Shark.
I can make my own way up.
Well, tickle me stupid. Sharks can fly.
Alright. New toys, load of guns. Let's get up on that roof and get our freedom back.
Chi na ba siya?
Try this stuff out. Never saw myself as a gadget girl, but when in Metropolis, yada yada.
Nangratan na. Wiyaw! Sinasakutan nga sila. Tama tabi sa...
I hate this.
Don't worry, I'm sure they got fire extinguishers.
Nangratan na. Pakman di atok tanga.
When we get Waller on the floor, someone should ask for a company car.
You want an expensive, deniable op?
Well, yeah, mate. Metropolis is pricey as.
I feel like I'm already paying. A little help with forcing this door?
Good to get out of that place. Hey.
Just checking. We're all seeing that thing, right? Cool, cool.
This has one-way ticket written all over it.
Waller? Waller! Waller! Oh, right. Oi, Waller, what the hell have you sent us into? It's a bloody war zone out here. There's a giant skull in the sky.
Congratulations, Task Force X. You're the first assets to make it into Metropolis alive. We're sending a signal transponder to your location. Your orders are to activate that transponder. Waller out.
Give me one reason why we should go out into that shit show.
The bombs, dumbass.
Morbid curiosity.
Ah,
Waller is not offering us a choice.
I'm ready to jump off the roof now.
Wala minisak si wasak cipu. Kanang ba?
Drone ain't pulling my weight.
The hell is that?
Is it a bloody alien?
I suppose that counts as activating the transponder.
I ain't dying next to a steel pimple with legs. Eyes up, people.
What does that mean?
Shoot the damn things.
Alates.
What the hell are those things?
Why do they smell like that?
Get your guns up.
See, kid? This is why you never visit Metropolis.
Honestly, it's in the name.
Thank you, Silini.
I got a little wild there.
Come back. My Sil.
Kill shot.
Dead. Sorry.
Quinn, thanks for the setup.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Next. Up there. Ever.
Let me go! I didn't even want to come here!
지금 오셔가지고
It's the Green Lantern, coming to our aid.
Ah, shit.
Ah, you purple jerks. You're in trouble now. Green Lantern's gonna... Ugh, Green Lantern. Nice. Hey, your face always looks so... What?
I was just about to ask you the same thing, Quinn. Wait, Floyd Lawton? They've got to do something about security at Arkham. You know what? I'm in the middle of a recon for Brainiac. Let's walk and talk. Look at that. Insurgents can't touch us. Brainiac says it
Hey,
get...
you keep saying Brainiac like it's a thing, but I don't think it's a thing.
Brainiac's the one finally bringing order to this world. Making a home for his people. All this, soon it'll be a new planet Kolu. That's been my mission for what, 3 weeks now? Of that and securing loose metahumans. But looking at you, I don't see the potential. Either way, we'll put you to good use. Come on.
Mr. Lantern, sir, I'm no matter. Could I, shh?
I want you to see this. Pay attention, Floyd.
Let me go home! Please! Get it off!
Looks bad, feels worse. But once you've been enhanced, there's no going back. Outstanding.
You're searching for stragglers. Augmenting Brainiac's army.
The Shark gets it. We shipped out 8 million already.
Green Lantern! Help!
These resistors just don't respect martial law. Time to rally up with Brainiac. Ready to make the leap?
Lantern, I'm putting 2 rounds in this Brainiac skull. Then I'm coming for you.
Yeah? Maybe I'll tell him I only found 3 metas. And 1 dead body cut to pieces. Flash! Brainiac wondered how you got off the ship.
Speedster secret. The League doesn't leave anyone behind. Let's make you right, buddy.
You know, that's just what I was gonna say.
Waller, send us assistance. Green Lantern.
You put a target on our backs, Waller. Green Lantern would have killed our asses if the Flash didn't show up.
The Flash is alive and still human.
Hell, he slammed Lantern off the roof at 1,000,000 miles an hour.
I need you prepared to bring him in. Take the recon path across the city. I'll brief you en route. You're behind enemy lines in occupied Metropolis. Maybe the most dangerous place on Earth. Humanity isn't welcome here.
Sounds like Gotham.
This brainiac has deployed a corrupted army to secure the city. Soldiers, tanks, drones, patrols.
There's also a big, giant spaceship that keeps zapping more of them in. Are you tracking that?
I see you've already stolen traversal equipment. You'll need it to stay off the streets.
I love it.
Selecting new target.
A fine target, Harley. I will end it.
Brainiac's updating his defenses on the fly. Scanning the buildings for survivors. Nothing gets in or out except through that damn skull ship. Setting a new recon point. Go.
Not today.
Drone, work with me here.
Whee!
What has happened to the citizens of Metropolis? They are... sand?
Those aren't people. Scientists from the DEO say it's an inorganic residue from a mass energy transfer event. Brainiac's taken 99% of the population. Now he's clearing house.
Huh. Last 1% got a fly coach instead of mass energy transfer?
Oh, you think that's a joke? They're being rounded up for conscription.
Should we not do something?
We've tried. Those are innocent people up there. So far, any attempt to intercept triggers the drones to escape. Continue your recon.
So o늘의 비료가 다시 번난 게 락분.
Switching target. Taking a pop at Deadshot's target.
하다.
Nice neighborhood, real European-y. Still no sign of Flash, though.
Wait, we were looking for Flash?
Yep.
I can find Flash.
Keep talking.
Well, I've got a kind of, Speed Force simpatico. and there's a sensor in this gauntlet.
All right. You might be worth keeping alive. Captain Boomerang, you're on point. Recover the Flash. Waller out.
Hear that? You lot better start calling me Captain Boomerang. Let's go. Gauntlet's gonna lead us right to him. If we go in the right direction. Just keep those numbers going down, and Speedy Boy's as good as ours.
Beam, beam,
Boomerang. I have read much about
beam,
speedsters.
Oh, he's read much about it.
beam, beam.
Putting in the hard yakka though, is he? Only so much. Flasher was hiding out on that roof, like a shit Ned Kelly.
Generous of him to leave us enemies.
Guess we gotta waste them. Well, my calendar's free.
Bingo.
Identified a new target.
Bang. Headshot.
Fine kill between us, Boomerang. A bracing encounter. But we did not find the Flash.
He was here. I can bloody feel it. Hate it.
You
Hello.
guys get the memo? Big invasion. Crime's on a break. Hide. Get somewhere safe.
Come on, Flash. You're making this a whole thing.
Do you have the flash?
Sorry, lady. He's, kinda busy in a biffo with a giant Green Lantern!
Flash, you got the wrong idea about Brainiac. Come back to the Skull
I
Ship.
don't know, man. Skull Ship? Sounds pretty evil villain to me. Out of control lantern ahead. Stay back.
Flash, I'm trying to be easy here. Brainiac just wanted to talk.
Like how he talked to you? Listen to yourself. You've been brainwashed. Lantern, wake up, buddy. See what Brainiac's got you doing.
I'm saving
This
the
is
world.
bad, guys.
That's the League's
Go!
mission. Now
Run!
get over here before I had to hurt you.
You want me, buddy? Then here I come.
As expected, Flash got his ass handed to him.
So, why aren't we out there rubbing salt in his wounds, Boomerang?
Yeah, let's find the bastard. And some salt.
Most wanted. Onan Dakota. Isokak fitamang itingis amman naktok. Istiro no kaksindan karasni sida tani sasusang yoksoni yakslak.
That genuine beef between you and Frank? Alive!
Hey, nice rooftop, Boomer. Where's Flash?
So where's the Flash at, genius?
You've wasted our time.
Oh, ye of little faith. Thing about Flash is, he's a coward. Guy like him sees a guy like me coming, he starts quaking in his boots. Quaking too fast to see! Your atomic vibration crap doesn't fool me, mate! Green Lantern really gave you the bash, didn't he? I owe him a tinny, even if he is a cop.
You can buy Lantern a beer after I put him in the ground.
Oi, this is about me and Flash. Get your own moment, why don't ya?
Seems to me like this is about...
Guys!
Waller, the area's hot. Flash wants to stay behind, hold him off. Great guy.
If he gets captured, I'll kill you myself.
You know, I'm starting to not like her.
We're about to get incoming. You three, stay on the Flash.
Hey, bro.
New intel. Melee enemies with kinetic shields. Open them up. Got it?
But
Target in sight.
I will help down your target, Harley.
Bata! Bata!
My nemesis. Oh, they're trying to yoink Flash! He's mine!
All right, Flash is clear. Keep your eyes on him, people.
They're still coming. Let's just give him Flash already!
Thumbnail.
Waller will retaliate if we fail her.
No, 다시 기우슈아가
Oh, great. What's these guys' problem?
They appear to have been mutated into aggressive...
Shark, sometimes it sounds like a question,
오늘
but it ain't.
좋지?
Get your fists up.
빙고!
Swinging for the fences!
fled. Recently. Leaving snacks in their wake.
They had the right idea. Somebody find the back entrance.
Best dirty movie I ever saw. Oh, crap!
This door will not hold. We must barricade it.
You stay here, pal.
See this? I spent a lot of time dreaming up how I was gonna kill you with it. You're mine now, and you're in for a world of... Ah, shit! Oh, hey guys! Oh, we were just having a little...
Shush. You hear that? No more freaks.
Something scared him off? Hey, Bruce! Still using shadows to scare the crap out of us criminals, huh? Don't sweat it. Batman doesn't kill people. Are you okay?
Go get him, Flash!
Well, shit.
Every woman for herself!
Damn it! He smoked us!
Drone's kaput. Grapple's kaput. Bat used his darn disruptor on us.
Where are you? Your priority is getting Flash back to the Hall of Justice.
That ain't my priority. Come on, haul your asses to the exit.
Så när det med
Boomerang is
Batman.
no challenge to you, Dark Knight. Face me.
Bat. I know bat. Just a moment.
He's all over.
Tụt con đánh cái đằng. Thật sự sao anh đắc tôn. Đi ra. Chào cá.
Task Force X, what is happening in there?
Bat. 2 seconds.
Listen, you want to make this about...
Wow, he whomped the hell out of Deadshot. Is this tragic irony? I feel like it's tragic irony.
I hate this. Batman. Bat.
The exit door is sealed. We must try the emergency escapes.
Emergencies escape. Bat.
Great. Death from above tingles.
Yep. No jump scare. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba.
I think I scented Batman.
I thought Shark would take more beating.
I don't even want to fight you, Batman, mate. I think you're the booze news. Go look out for numero 1, guys!
Listen to me. You get Flash, I'll pull you out of whatever mess you're in.
My guys picked off one by one. This is all feeling real familiar.
Yep. Left, right, left. Ta kung may matukan naka.
Flash! Now!
Find Flash, don't find Bat. Easy.
Harley Quinn is back.
I am not donating to this museum.
Green Lantern, I have the Flash. Your 4 escaped criminals. They led me right to him. No, not a threat at all. Still, let their corpses strike fear into those who'd resist. Alive. Of course, Brainiac. We're ready for phase.
Hey, boss. Bad news. We found evil Batman. He murdered a bunch of guys and kidnapped Flash, which I guess is the other bad news.
Batman has also trapped us.
I want you back at the Hall of Justice. Go to the other exit and wait for support. Waller out.
Welcome to the real Batman experience.
What was that?
We begin at the Arkham Asylum for the criminally insane. Batman had apprehended Joker like so many times before, but this night was different. The Maniac had prepared a trap in the midst of Batman's deadliest foes.
Can you smell the excitement in the air? Ha ha! No? Must have been one of the guards then! Croc, old boy! Is that you?
I've got your scent, Batman. I will hunt you down.
Joker sprang nearly every killer in Arkham. Don't like to think about it, but at least I made it out.
Great night for a party!
Some party. Batman was able to thwart Joker's schemes, but the seeds of evil planted that day would only grow.
Ooh.
Harley Quinn, Once a promising young psychiatrist, she returned to the asylum to terrorize it as Joker's sidekick.
Every gal has a phase they regret. Maybe mine happened to get me consecutive life sentences.
As a last resort, Joker used his own experimental Titan mixture. The super serum warped his body to match his twisted mind. But it wasn't enough to defeat Batman.
I can't even say that's the most messed up thing he did.
The strong man Bane was secretly imprisoned and experimented on in Arkham's depths to create a powerful new strength serum, Titan. Serial killer Victor Zsasz was let loose on the island, claiming several more lives that night, marked indelibly on his skin.
Alors se Batman story mode raktinga. Story mode rayut ton.
Following the fall of the asylum, Gotham's Skid Rows were turned into the super prison, Arkham City. An urban hell, where the only rules were made by the villain ringleaders and their gangs. I know, I was on the ground, and so was Batman.
The only way to get by in this place is to get ourselves some respect.
Fear! That's how we get respect. Show them all how we do things.
You know, if you pick the right side and then piss off the boss, you were set. At least, till the bat showed up anyway.
Bring out the defendant!
You certainly know how to keep a girl hanging, Harv.
Court is in session.
Grab him and cut him in two!
Batman cleaned out Arkham City. Two-Face, Penguin, Ra's al Ghul, even the Joker. Batman's nemesis died poisoned by his own chemical compound. A tragic irony.
Hello, my love, husband. Na doktor sa kutanggira na sa manakpo laro. Hello.
Professional killer Deadshot was hired to assassinate several VIP targets, like myself, and Bruce Wayne and Batman. Close calls with death that night.
Deadshot. What you say? Deadshot. What is it?
Professional killer Deadshot was hired to assassinate several VIP targets, like myself, and Bruce Wayne and Batman. Close calls with death that night.
I am not done with this phony steampunk-ass looking dude.
Okay. I like this.
The city's darkest hour was yet to come. Gathering Batman's remaining foes into an unholy alliance, the crazed Scarecrow plunged Gotham into a waking nightmare.
Welcome to Gotham, the city of fear. You thought me gone, didn't you, Batman? Lost in the waters beneath Arkham. But like all submerged, forgotten fears, eventually I returned. My fire crew was trapped, but we owe Batman our lives. He just kept pushing himself past the limit.
Batman turned back the tide of fear, reclaimed the city, but at what cost? In defeating Scarecrow, his identity was revealed to the world. In the end, Ivy was more plant than person, yet she chose to help the people of Gotham. She sacrificed herself to neutralize Scarecrow's toxin clouds with plant life.
Oh, Red. Why'd you have to sacrifice yourself for the greater good?
Apang manusia, apang mapingay. Okay. Apang mapingay yun. Apang manusia Harley Quinn. Mana sana? Nakapayo. Diba? Pakman yan. So paman din rugutak semua. Popisa kaya kanira.
Hey, Waller, we're at the exit. Are you gonna spring off?
Ah, shit! It's a ghost!
Are the spirits of your ancestors typically digital?
What's she doing now? Trying to give us the brain spasms?
She cracked the lock. Thank you, strange holographic girl.
Guys, ghosts are real.
You ate a lot of lead paint growing up, didn't you, Boomerang?
Yeah?
Can you
Let's get back to the hall before Waller turns our heads to hamburger.
Or we could go on the Batman experience again.
เชื่อปักมันอย่าตก
Hey guys, I love hands-on learning.
Huh. Follow that green beam. You'll find Lantern set up in some bullshit-ass construct castle.
You jealous, Deadshot? You sound jealous.
Lantern's fortress is very impressive, but our orders are to return to the Hall of Justice, not marvel at his powers.
Reprioritizing targets.
What was that?
It's a talent.
Your savagery inspires me, Harley. This is not what I expected from my first exposure to a human city.
Waller didn't send your scaly ass into any hot zones before?
She did not.
So, no destabilizing countries and shit. Huh. Ready to pull. Thought Argus was all about that life.
Fine, one swing at a time.
Fine, just win to the time.
Gonna get your target with your shark.
Bana. Hey!
Super! Right, Harley?
نروح نانكس.
Sure, I'll get your target, Boomer.
Bye-bye.
Come on, spill, Floyd. You and the real Deadshot a double act or something? Mistaken identity? Hey? What's the deal?
The deal is, you keep asking and I'm gonna put these size 11s up your narrow ass.
Ooh, that means it's embarrassing, yeah?
Lay off, Boomerang. A man's backstory is personal. Special.
Yeah. Thanks, Quinn.
And probably involves long-lost twins of another race.
نروح تلتيشا شنو نمشي نقصو. ستار موجودة تمكتلون هنا قيام باكمان شو باكمان يوم نبغى أنا نختار بواشي تقولنا ناس نبيش نقص مسج نمشي باي تلتين البيكوش باي باي.